Hi, I'm Shubhoshree, and my nickname is Ladli. You know, nicknames are called Daknam in Bengali. Dak means to call. So, Daknam is reserved for those people who love you enough to call you differently from the world. I have been always called Ladli by my parents and my family. Probably because they gave me too much lad pyar when I was a kid and still giving. And every time when my friends or someone close call me Ladli, it feels it feels like home. It's really strange how nicknames are so underrated love language in Bengali. No matter how far you are from your home, when someone call you by your dark name, it always feels like home. And that's how I became a pampered child again every time when someone calls me Ladli. And I will always love being Ladli to the people I love.